Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 28th, 2020. Yes, we have here 8 Sudokus. I won't do them all. I do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. And this second Sudoku will be number 1820. 1820. Is this correct? 1820. Yes. The numbering is very strange because yesterday I forgot to do this one, and instead of them I have done the Thursday newspaper. So I left this additional, and suddenly I saw I have not used the additional or solved the additional with the Sudokus. So afterwards I need to do this, and the numbering is now correct. 1820, and this Sudoku has 24 printed digits. I've already counted, so let's get started. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And then. Let me see. 4 in this row, the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. Oh, correction. Apologies. I've moved the camera. Alright. Apologies. 4 in this first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. Nine in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for a 7 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes, so the 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there, so the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. The 2 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yes. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We have there 7. We have here 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 2, 3, 8. Well. Not easy at all. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 6 and the 2. Let me mark them, 2 and the 6. These 2 numbers, 2 and the 3, are missing in the first row. 2 and the 3. Look, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square, the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well. 3. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. 9. 1, 2, and the 7. 1, 2, 7, we have a pair. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 5. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Together, we have a pair. These 3 numbers are missing in the second column. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Remember this. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square, 1, 2, 7, 5 and an 8, should be the 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. And now, two missing numbers in this column. The first column, the 6 and the 9 are missing. The 6 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark them. It's a pair. 1 and a 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are missing now. The 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 8. Need to wait. So we have a 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 2. 7 and the 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this can't be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 2. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. These 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5 are missing. Look, we have a 2 and a 3 here, so no 2 and a 3 in these. In this box, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be an 8. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3. 2 and 3. Alright. 1, 2. How about 2, 6, 3? Yes, these 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 3. 2, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3. We have a 2 and a 3 here, so this can be 2 or 3, so 1 digit left should be the 6. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here in this big square, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. How about these two numbers in this column? 1, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Let me mark them, 2 and 8. How about these two numbers in this big square? The 1 and the 6. Let me mark them. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. No. 1, 2, 6, and a 9. How about these two numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and 9, we see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. All right. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. So I've told you earlier, you cannot say the less printed numbers it's more difficult. No, sometimes a Sudoku 4 stars is faster than the 3 stars. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you in a minute with the last 2 Sudokus, a binary and a tectonic I will do. See you later. Bye bye for now.